Oh, this is fucking insane. Oh, I got fish, guys. I got a fish just right now. This is my tent inside.
It's so cold.
Darling, say what you want, say what you don't, and I will give you more. Darling, show all your faults, show me what is wrong, and I will give you.
Oh. Okay, hello guys. This is my new episode, number 2. I wasn't fishing last time, even 3 times already, and nothing. Maybe pressure. Maybe it was pressure or maybe something, so the weather was not good. Now we are here on a lake. This is an Eagle Lake. I never fished here before, but yeah, I heard it's a nice lake for a pike fishing, and they have walleye as well. And this is pretty close to Calgary. It's on the east side. Lake look, blah, blah, blah. This lake, it's pretty shallow. I have to go far away from the lake van, just right there, because as you can see here, so those black, those one, and more, so it's just a wet. It doesn't mean it's bad, but still, if it's too shallow and too much wind, oh, someone drew it already, so we can't fish here because no access for fish. So yeah, we have to go maybe half kilometers on the center of the lake. Yeah, I just asked people just right there, so they don't have anything yet. They already here 2 hours, so I wish I can get it. I need one more fish, one fish, baby. Let's do it. Finally. There you go. It's good enough for elephant, or maybe 2. So right now, instead of ice, we have a 2.5 meters. And as you can see on the bottom here, this is some width, which is nice because we are hunting pike right now, right? Just gonna set up right here. There is so far from the barn.
Oh shoot, you got it. Wow. That was much easier than the first one. Look at the size,
guys. How deep?
Yeah.
Like almost all the way down. Okay, so I just want to show you guys how deep ice here in this lake, Eagle Lake. So it's about 50 or 60 centimeters, like even all my head, almost all my head. And it's even not water here, no yet. Nice, solid ice. Big one. Now we have to make one more hole for just for jaw jacker. This is like automatical system. I have a hawk, big hawk, because I know it's huge pike here. No wire line because it's walleye also here. So in small way, and I have a smelt. All I do, just put the smelts in like that. That's it. That's all I need. And put it inside. Oh, it's already frozen. And it's going down. It's going down, going down, going down. Let him go. Let him go. It's still going down. Oh my god. It's not anymore. So now I'm just pull it upper just a little bit and put it on the handle here. All I need, you see the hook here, so all I need, just make sure the loop stuck right here. Oh, I got a fish, guys. I got a fish just right now. Oh my god, I got a fish just like real. Holy shit, man. Oh, this is like I just dropped it, man. I just dropped fish and it's here. Whoa, whoa, boy. Just right now. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Oh, come here. Oh, it's big, man. It's big. It's coming. Oh, this is a pike. Walleye. This is a nice walleye. Look at this size.
Whoa!
This is pike.
Whoa, boy!
Look at this, guys.
Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Wow! Whoa! I want one.
All you need, just take the hug off, and then this is, guys, this is amazing. Look. First pike in my life in ice fishing. This is gorgeous. I'm so happy. Let this guy go. Let this guy go. Let this guy go. Let this guy go. Thank you, buddy. There you go.
I'm gonna go back to the tent, okay?
There you go. Now it's gone. Woohoo! Oh, it's super cool. Yeah, there is my jaw jacker, my guard right there. Hey, guard. I'm just waiting for explode. After first fish, what are we gonna do? We're gonna switch everything, and yeah, before we was using like a jig. I show you guys. So it was like the jig head and fish on it and the wire line. So I'm gonna use Yamakatsu hooks, size 30. Yeah, just big enough for a pike or a walleye. I like it. It's super sharp Japanese hooks. I like Japanese stuff, guys, you know. And yeah, we have a smelt, and yeah, we're gonna put one split shot here just for weight, and that's it. Just right here, one split shot, probably 1 feet away. There you go, guys. That's it for today. Thanks for your watching. Subscribe to my channel, of course, and if you're interested, put hands up, and yeah, see you next time. Woo! A still car and people. Nice place, nice and quiet.
was crying.
See you guys next time. Bye.